once you're in, this is how the dashboard looks. In the next step, enter the tax year, select 1099 DIV from the list, and relevant business details like recipient information, the total transaction amount, number of payments made, and any other relevant info displayed on the screen, and then click Next. Now this is where you get to customize your filing experience. Tax1099 offers features like sending forms via USPS mail, secure e-delivery, TIN matching to ensure accuracy, and even state filing options if needed. Pick the features that work best for you and you're almost there. Once you've selected your filing preferences, simply click Submit and that's it. Tax1099 takes care of the rest, ensuring your 1099 DIVs are filed electronically and securely.